Welcome to English Learners, where language knows no boundaries, and every conversation is an opportunity to learn and grow. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply passionate about mastering English, you've come to the right place. Subscribe to English Learners today, and let's embark on a journey of language discovery together. Welcome aboard.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Bollywood Unplugged. I'm your host, Karan Johar. Today, I have a very special guest with me. He's the king of Bollywood, the man with the most charming smile, and my dear friend, Sharukh Khan. Welcome to the show, SRK.
Thank you, Karan. It's always a pleasure to be here with you.
SRK, how have you been? What's new in your world?
I've been good, Karan. You know, just the usual, spending time with family, reading scripts, and working on a few exciting projects. How about you?
Busy as always. But let's talk about you. You've had such an incredible journey in Bollywood. Looking back, how do you feel about everything you've achieved?
It's been a roller coaster ride, but I wouldn't have it any other way.
You've played so many iconic roles over the years. Is there any character that holds a special place in your heart?
That's a tough one. Every character I've played is special in its own way. But if I had to pick, I would say Rahul from Dilwale Dulhania Le Jayenge. That film changed my life and holds a very special place in my heart.
DDLJ is a classic. Speaking of films, you mentioned you're working on new projects. Can you give us a sneak peek?
Well, I can't reveal too much, but I can say that I'm working on something very different from what I've done before. It's a challenging role, and I'm really excited about it. Hopefully, the audience will love it.
We're all eagerly waiting. Now, SRK, you've been in the industry for over 3 decades. How do you manage to stay so grounded and humble?
I think it's important to stay true to yourself and remember where you came from. Success can be fleeting, but your values and relationships are what truly matter. My family and friends keep me grounded, and I always try to stay connected with my roots.
That's really inspiring. Lastly, what message would you like to give to your fans who look up to you?
I would like to tell them to follow their dreams with passion and determination. There will be obstacles along the way, but never give up. Believe in yourself, work hard, and stay positive. And, of course, thank you for all the love and support. It means the world to me.
Beautifully said, SRK. Thank you so much for joining us today. It's always a pleasure to chat with you.
Thank you, Karan. It's been great being here.
And thank you to all our listeners for tuning in to Bollywood Unplugged. Stay tuned for more exciting episodes. Until next time, this is Karan Johar signing off.
Thank you so much for watching this video, English learners. I hope you found it helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are also learning English, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss an update. Your support means the world to me, and I'm excited to continue this language learning journey with you all. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep striving for fluency. Until next time, happy learning.